Alright, safety belts, headset, all good. Actually, Fred, if you could bring the furnace a little bit lower and make it a little bit snug, that'll be great. That one gotta be lower, and maybe you can tighten a little bit on the side. Pull the big one, yeah. Thank you. Yep.
There's no place I'd rather be.
Down the surfboard out at sea.
Lingering in the ocean blue.
And if I had one wish come true,
I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
I'll be making my lovey, love and my papa and I'll
Flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Abiki mai rohirohi.
love and my papa and I'll
Iinalu la 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 la.
Oka moana hanu,
La 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 itala hana hana.
making my home a equal
Hede hede mai tatu e.
Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
There's no place I'd rather be.
Down the seashore drive like free.
On golden sand is where I live.
And if I only had my way,
I'd play till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
la la la, itala hana, making my home a equal
It's time to try the Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Hang loose, hang thin, hop, shake a shaka.
No worry, no free, ain't no biggie rara.
Cutting in, cutting up, cutting back, cutting out. Backside, put it back out. Let's get the jump, the surf's up, pumping, coasting with the motion of the ocean. Whirlpool swirling, cascading, whirling.
Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
So yeah, Fred, if you decided to go for that quiet blocks on the beach, you take this highway, and you will notice the lava will get really dark ahead of us, and go about maybe another 500 meters. Right before the lava ends, you can see like open spot. That's where you can park the car and get out. But again, I'm gonna show you the another blocks on the beach by your hotel.
There's no place I'd rather be.
Down the surfboard out at sea.
Lingering in the ocean blue.
And if I had one wish come true,
I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon.
I'll be making my lovey, love and my
So Michael, where are you guys staying at on this trip? Which hotel? Or
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn? Okay.
Abiki mai rohi rohi.
love and my papa
Team Canada staying at the Fairmont. How about you guys, Johnny and Cheryl? Where are you staying at?
The Marriott?
Marriott. Okay, right over there then.
Yes.
That Marriott and Hilton. This is Waikoloa Beach Resort. And the next one is Manalani with Fairmont.
On the island, we do it ain't.
Yeah, that's Hilton.
From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island.
That's where you guys seen last time?
3 years ago.
3 years ago. Yeah.
2 years ago we stayed at Hualulai right above the wrist.
Okay, yeah.
Mama's in a kitchen cooking dinner real.
So now we save our money and we spend it
I
on
mean,
this kind of excursion.
It's got so expensive, you know? I mean,
Kalikapila in the old Hawaiian.
so yeah, Marianne and Fred to the right side over the bay. Can you see the blocks on the beach over there? That's part of the Manalani Resort. So there are only like 15-20 parking space available for the 49 blocks on the beach. So you gotta go early in the morning or you have to wait for somebody to come out.
From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward.
Yeah, Marianne, that's your hotel over there. Fairmont.
Go grandma's house on the weekend, clean your cars. If we don't go, grandma gotta work hard. Yeah. You know my grandma, she like the boy real sour. All up on grandma every minute, every hour on the island. We do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side.
Yeah, today with the calm wind, ocean is just like a flat, like lake. Okay, guys, the season already started. Whale season. Usually January all the way to March, April, but this year, you know, we start seeing the whale a little bit earlier. I haven't spotted any whales yet this year, but other pilots have been seeing them. So guys, look for spout. If you can help me finding the whale, you know, the first whale for the season, yeah, we're gonna circle over the top and we're gonna do some whale watching.
Beef stew on the stove, no mess salmon with ice. We eat and drink and we sing all day. Kalikapila in the old Hawaiian way on the island. We do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style.
So Toshi, you live here. Do you ever do the deep sea fishing for big tuna?
I have done a couple times, yes.
From the mountain
Yeah, I mean, this side of the island famous for the sports fishing.
From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side.
I don't do it, but my son and his buddies, you know, they do dive spear fishing. So yeah, we come to this coastline quite a bit, and yeah, they dive and catch some dinner for us. Oh yeah, so guys, you saw some blacks on the beaches. You saw some whites on the beaches right over there, you know? So, you guys know what makes black sand?
Lava rock?
Lava rocks. How about white sand? White sand, what?
Coral?
Coral, oh, good. So yeah, you will see the coral growing, you know, on the coastline. But the coral is pretty hard, like a rock. How they turn into the small pieces.
Water erosion?
Water erosion, some, but not much. Michael?
Fish poop.
He learned from me last time. So yeah, guys, no joke. You know, we have those fish called parrotfish. Big teeth. When they eat algae on coral, they take small, tiny piece of coral that will go through their body and come out from the bottom side. So basically that's a fish poop, you know? But yeah, you can see coral. Those light blue, like turquoise color, that's where the sands, white sands in the bottom of the ocean already. Michael, have you done any boat fishing here?
2 years ago.
You did?
Yeah, got skunked. No bite.
Oh,
We're going tomorrow. I hope I get given
oh, you gotta
mana.
check.
Yeah, she didn't go with me last time, so.
Maybe that's why you didn't get any fish. Yeah. Alright, so guys, just giving you guys heads up. If you look at the ocean, calm, flat ocean, and you see that line extending out, so the wind is going around the mountain, kind of over the top, and probably we get about a 20 knots wind. That's why you can see that kind of clouds forming here. So you're gonna feel a little bit bump here. You don't need to worry, but just giving you guys heads up. Yeah, right now, 3 knots wind. It's gonna pick up quite a bit soon. Okay, I'm gonna slow down a little bit here. Yeah, you start feeling a little bit?
It went from 3 to 12 fast.
Yeah. And probably 20 ahead of us though. Even maybe more like 30. Yeah, and Johnny and Cheryl, that's the old Hawaiian fisherman village. Lapakahi Historical Park. You can see those like rock wall. Little bit rainbow ahead of us. Yeah, co-pilot, you don't have to grab his leg. You can just grab my arm if you want to, you know. No, his arm is a little bit stronger than mine, looks like. Yeah, here we go, rainbow.
Aloha, Iano.
Rainbow Pilot. What do you think? That's a song we should play now. "34 knots wind." There you go, guys. 360 rainbow. Let me bring to the right side. And you can see another heiau. Heiau is the old Hawaiian temples at the birthplace for the King Kamehameha. Alright, rainbow coming to the right side. I think it's still 360 rainbow. Yeah, Stephanie and Michael, double 360, right? Yeah. Yeah, Stephanie and Michael, happy 6th anniversary. This is for you guys.
You find me, oh, somewhere.
You see that 360 rainbow?
Bluebirds fly, and the
Double 360.
why can't oh, someday I will.
Yeah, Michael. Stephanie's happy now. Is that double 360 rainbow? So that's good, you know. If she's happy, we are happy, right? So you guys, can you see the runway, the airport ahead of us? That's the northern tip of the big island. From here to the Maui, yeah guys, look at the map.
You find me, oh,
From here to Maui, it's only 30 miles. Only 30, so it's not that far at all. You know, usually we can see Maui, but not today. Got some low clouds.
the dreams that you dare to. Why, oh, why can't
So yeah, here we go, low clouds, start drizzling, raining a little bit, and everything's so nice and green, right? So now, this is the windward side of the island. You know, east side, wind is blowing east to west, brings moisture. You know, so all the Hawaiian Islands, same thing. If you visit east, windward side of the island, yeah, it's pretty wet. I think that's a white cap from the air. Just one second, I gotta look for on traffic. So yeah, I was just talking to the pilot, just went by. He is not doing tours, he's bringing somebody to the valleys for some work. He said it was pretty wet, but I can see that's a tail end of the rain shower. And actually, one aircraft ahead of us who took off like 20 minutes before we did, he came about to this place and he had to turn around. Right before I took off, he said, "Hey Toshi, you know, I had to turn around." Again, weather can change pretty quickly for the good or bad, but now, thank you for our co-pilot. Yeah, still raining, a little bit wet, but you guys get to see valleys, waterfalls, giant sea cliffs. We're almost there. So 4 of you guys know how beautiful this place is. Your first time seeing here, right? Team Canada. Be ready. Probably you will get goosebumps. Probably you will get a little bit tears. Yeah, this place is pretty special. Beautiful spot.
Kaua, no make noise la.
This is Pololu Valley. You guys get to enjoy like 7 beautiful valleys today. West End, the one you just saw is Pololu. Well, all I can tell you is, I know it's beautiful, but this is still nothing. This is still nothing. You haven't seen much yet at all. That's one of the landing sites. Yeah, there was. So, Blue Hawaiian, we have 2 landing sites. One pass behind us and one ahead of us. So guys, so many nice waterfalls now, right? Where's water coming from? It is the rainwater. So finally, about a week ago, started to rain, but we had very dry summer. About 10 days ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I mean, for about 10 days there's no water in these waterfalls. And we could walk at the bottom of the waterfalls over there. It was all dried up. The lake, the pond was all dried up. There was nothing about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, thank you for the rain, you know.
We heard the Jurassic Park theme song. On which island was it filmed and on which sector?
So when Hollywood come to Hawaii for the movie shooting, they usually go to the smaller island for the easy access, Maui or often Kauai. That's where they film mainly for the Jurassic Park, and they always use our machine helicopter. So guys, look at these waterfalls. You can now see only 2 at the bottom steps, but there is one more on the top, 3 steps, 1,500 feet, like 500 meters altogether. So Fred, if we're lucky, sometimes, you know, we still get to see those dinosaurs. You know, T-Rex and stuff, you know, so keep eye on them. So Marianne, what do you think?
I love it. It's beautiful.
Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, this is my favorite spot in the states of Hawaii. Volcano, you know, amazing. Kilauea, someday I'd like to take you guys. So you can see maybe like fountain, lava and stuff, but still, this is my favorite. So Johnny, do you remember what caused those deep valleys? How those wide, deep valleys get formed?
Well, I can't remember.
From all the rain.
Yeah. 200 inches of rain, the water cut like the Grand Canyon. That water erosion. Again, about 2 weeks ago, 10 days ago, there's nothing here, and that pond was all dried up. We could walk all the way against the wall. So the valleys caused by the rainwater, the rivers. How about cliffs? You didn't see those cliffs on the other side of the island. What caused that giant cliffs?
Wind and wave.
Wave, mainly wave. So guys, look at the ocean, you know, the other side of the ocean, remember it was flat, you know, this side, windward side, we got a pretty good, powerful wave. So, if you extend that slope over the mountain down, 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 you can kind of guess where what's original coastline used to be. Like 2 miles out there, you know? The wave took that much land. So another question is, you saw Hualulai, Mauna Loa, Mauna Kea from distance. Other volcanoes, they don't have cliffs and valleys. Why only this volcano? Why only Kohala volcano has cliffs and valleys? He knows.
The others still erupt, so they keep filling in the erosion gap.
This is where all the major waves happen.
All the way?
All the trade winds, they blow the waves.
Well, but why doesn't happen in Mauna Kea side then? This is the oldest one. Remember, it needs time, you know, it doesn't happen one day, so this island is pretty young island. Kohala, I mean, this is the youngest island in the states of Hawaii. Kohala volcano is the only old enough volcano on the youngest island to have those cliffs and valleys. Like Mauna Kea, Mauna Loa, too young for this. So, you said you guys gonna go Kauai, right? Island Kauai next time? So guys, yeah, Big Island is my favorite. Second one will be Kauai. Have you guys been to the Kauai? You have? No? You guys need to go there, yeah. Kauai is the oldest island in the States, 5 million years old. This volcano is 500,000 years old. So Kauai, 10 times older than this volcano. So means 10 times more erosion. Yeah, much taller cliffs in Napari coast, like almost twice as cliffs. Hawaii is another beautiful island. bit more rainbow here. Yeah, we are approaching back to the northern tip. Okay, so we're gonna transition from the wind weather side wet back to the dry side.
May it be an evening star shines down on you.
So yeah, Fred and Marianne, this morning you guys woke up Fairmont, you know, at the resort. You look at the beautiful blue sky and you said this is the best day to go fly, right?
Yeah, we booked the tour on Monday night.
Okay, and of course, you know, here comes crazy pilot saying weather is bad. I say, what are you guys talking about, eh? But you saw how wet it is, you know, east side, west side is just totally different. Yeah, this is where the clouds ends. This is where the green kind of stops, you know, green and brown. So that's the Mo'okini Heiau, and the next one is the birthplace for the King Kamehameha, those double square.
So does this mean we're on the Leland side?
You wanna go?
Does this mean we're on the Leland side?
Leland side, yeah, leeward side, yep. Just one second.
May it be your journey on to light the day when the night is overcome. You may rise to find the sun.
Yeah, and the backside of Kohala Mountain, you can see Mauna Kea standing up. Again, Mauna Kea, the tallest one. Mauna means mountain, Kea means
White.
white mountain. Do you know why we call it White Mountain?
There's snow on the tip during winter.
Remember, this is not Canada. You're in Hawaii. Yeah, you knew it, yeah. Yeah, it's November, so coming up, so we could have snow anytime. Actually, clouds are above the summit, so, you know, maybe we can get snow tonight. Yeah, once we get enough snow, we drive. You need four-wheel drive, but we drive to the summit and we snow ski up there. You can ski in Hawaii. Of course, snow here in Hawaii is not as good as the one in Colorado and Canada, but you know. But after the skiing, less than 2 hours, we can always jump into the beach. All year round. So guys, yeah, back to the wind line. You're gonna feel a little bit shake. So yeah, you just saw wet and dry. We talked about cold and warm. This island has 11 of 13 climate zones in the world. 11 of 13. Yeah, like Fred, you said earlier, you know, like every 30 minutes when you're driving, you feel like you're in a different country. That's why 11 out of 13 climate zone. There you go, the line, the clouds. I'm gonna slow down a little bit here for the bumps.
So what are the two climates that we don't have on that island? Desert and which one else?
Those are the ones we don't need. Extremely cold. You guys can keep in Canada. And extremely hot. Yeah. Yeah, now I know what Fred is thinking about it. Oh, I want to move to Hawaii.
I'm thinking about it since we land.
Yeah, Hawaii is pretty awesome. That's why they keep coming back to Hawaii, you know. So when you guys gonna move to Hawaii then? Soon.
Retirement.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, if ocean is flat like this, I mean, we should be able to see dolphins, you know, and sharks even sometimes. And even we can see the manta too. Yeah, a couple of fishing boat. So you said you guys gonna go the day after tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay. Yeah, Michael, if you catch some fish, of course Toshi is expecting some sushi from you guys, you know.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
How about you, Johnny? Are you guys planning some other special events or?
No, I don't think so. We're leaving Friday.
Right, okay.
I guess this is our big event.
Yeah, you can see the Hualulai, the clouds, the low clouds start building up. Yeah, next flight is 10:30 and I don't know if I can do any trip. I mean, for sure I can take the guests to the waterfalls, but I don't know if I can show Hualulai or even Mauna Loa, and it's getting disappearing already, so at least worked out good on this one, you know? Oh yeah, so Michael and Stephanie, when you guys go to the Kauai next time, you'll find a beautiful valley, I mean canyon, called Waimea Canyon. You know, people call Waimea Canyon as the Grand Canyon in the Pacific. This is like the baby canyon. This will become like Waimea Canyon in about 4.5 million years.
In 4 million years, Kauai would probably be gone, and
It is,
there'll be a new island or two.
Yeah, you got it. Yep. New island Loihi should be popping out in about 100,000 years from now. And by then, for sure, Kauai will be all eroded. Since we had to go back to Waikoloa Base to get gas, so it is taking maybe longer, but since we took off, 2 hours and 10 minutes passed. This flight will be almost 2 hours and about 20 minutes, you know? But time goes fast, doesn't it? Over 2 hours. Alright, so folks, how was your flight today? How was your trip?
Amazing.
Yeah, I saw that little bit disappointment, you know, when I had to come and talk to you guys about volcano is not possible, you know, but still pretty, isn't it, you know?
It was above expectations.
Oh, good! More than what I expected, even though Kilauea. That's good. Yeah, next time I would love to take you guys to the eruption site, you know? How about you guys? Had a good time?
Yes, great time.
Alright. All good, boss?
All good.
Alright. So yeah, this is the Waikoloa village, small community, and I live in a Waikoloa village, and this is the slope of Mauna Kea. Mauna Kea last eruption 5,000 years ago, so dormant. Look just the other side of the village. You see fresh-looking lava? It's like a creek. That creek, Dry Creek, is the lowest part between Mauna Loa, Mauna Kea. So that line separates dormant to active. This is already part of Mauna Loa. So
I see trees of green.
Alright, so like we did earlier, please just keep your safety belts, headset, and please just remain on the seat until we're on the ground.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful